welcome back. Welcome if you're new. I got little Bruce running around my feet right now. Today I thought I would try a technique I've seen in a couple of different places of slow vacuuming the house. Now if I can do this with Bruce running around, we'll see how that goes. But no, Bruce, it's raining. We're not going outside right now, buddy. I love you. It's raining. Not going outside. All right. I was saying slow vacuuming the house, which where you just basically vacuum in slow motion. Just push the vacuum cleaner really, really slowly. I just want to do the main rooms in my house today, but I'm really curious to try it out to see how much extra dirt it might actually pick up than just vacuuming normally. See if it'll help speed up carpet cleaning when I do clean the carpets. Come on, Bruce. No, you're coming inside. Do not go out that door. No. I'll be back. Alright, so I got Bruce calmed down. He really wanted to go outside, but it is raining outside right now, so not a good time. Anyway, out here on the porch, kind of the closed-in patio area, I'm just grabbing the vacuum cleaner. I'm going to go ahead and start with pretty much an all the way empty canister. There's a little bit of debris in there on the bottom. I think my daughter was using the vacuum last night. But mostly empty canister. And we'll see how much it fills up during this vacuum, and you just see if it goes well. Some of the clips I'll leave in real time so you can see actually how slowly I am vacuuming, and then others I'll speed up so you're not sitting there watching 20 minutes of slow vacuuming. So, all right, let's get started.
ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know one single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why? Why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody, I need somebody to love. I need somebody, I need somebody. Give me somebody, somebody to love.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? 'Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. 'Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. 'Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the
So those are the main spaces in the house. My house isn't overall too big, but yeah, just like the living room area, the dining room area, the hallway, right by the front door. And it did collect quite a lot more dirt than normal vacuuming of just those areas. Like this, normally, oh my goodness, that is so much dirt. This is normally like the entire house in regular vacuum speed. And this was just like the major public areas in slow vacuum. That got so much more dirt out of the carpet than regular vacuuming ever does. So definitely set it up. And this is when I vacuum almost daily, just regularly vacuum the house almost daily. But you know, life with kids builds up. So yeah, I found this incredibly satisfying. I'm so happy I got all that dirt out of my floor. Oh, it's just so gross to think that's in your carpet. And then it'll be all ready for me to go carpet cleaning. But that'll be for another day. So thank you so much for joining in and for watching. I hope this gave you some motivation to get up and vacuum your own house, whether you slow vacuum or regular vacuum. Taking care of the space you live in just helps things feel so much freer physically and mentally. So you're beautiful, you're wonderful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.